This is just the future. There was a time when everyone was like, okay, phones are pushing to be $1,000. All smartphones, because of the technology and, well, the year that it is. It's 2019. But $2,000, oh my goodness, what's next? The link for this video is in the description. So Samsung, the Galaxy Fold, is retailed, yes, at $2,000. The folding smartphone has one bizarre glaring flaw. So Samsung unveiled this foldable smartphone, the Galaxy Fold, on Wednesday. The Galaxy Fold costs nearly $2,000. It's scheduled to launch on April 26th. The device can be used as a smartphone or folded out into a tablet. The folding screen is a neat trick, but the phone has a glaring design flaw that no one seems to be talking about. So I don't care what was going on with this phone, but the price is just, every time I think of $1,000 is a lot for a smartphone. Let's start with that. But $2,000, I'm like, what does this phone do that no other phone will do for $2,000? It folds. Wow. That's some Jetson style futuristic magic right there. But okay, this device is still primarily a smartphone. It's strikingly how bizarrely small the screen is. It's just 4.6 inches. Even more striking, perhaps, are the two absolute massive black bars on the top and bottom of that tiny screen, as you can see in this picture. So that is just eliminating like all the screen. Bezels, thick bezels. Are there technical reasons for these large gaps? Almost certainly. Price considerations, given the already high price of the device, assuredly. So, who would pay $2,000 and that main screen that you see when the phone is closed all the time is only 4.6 inches, and it has those two big bezels? But you open it up, it turns to a tablet. I don't know. Maybe some of you guys have money like that to spend on phones. I'll be honest with you. There are certain things I need a phone for. And there's a whole lot of things that I don't. Like this video, leave your comment, subscribe.